Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a GMC truck with ease. We will start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, sketch a large, horizontal rectangle to represent the main body of the truck. Next, add a slightly smaller square or rectangle on the left side. This will be the cab. Finally, connect these two primary shapes with a short, gentle horizontal line to form the hood. This simple approach makes the process straightforward and fun. Now that we have our basic truck outline, let's add some essential details. Draw two large circles for the wheels, making sure they slightly overlap the bottom edge of the truck's body. Inside each wheel, add smaller concentric circles to represent the rims and hubcaps. For the cab, sketch a clear trapezoid shape for the front windshield. Then, include a simple rectangular shape for the side window, placed just behind the windshield, giving your truck more definition. With the wheels and windows in place, it is time to refine the body lines of our GMC truck. Gently round off the sharp corners of the truck's body and cab to give it a smoother, more realistic appearance. At the front, draw a rectangular grille, which should be about 1/3 the width of the truck's front. On either side of this grille, sketch two small square or rectangular shapes for the headlights. Finally, add a subtle, curved line along the top of the truck bed for a more finished look. We are almost done. Let's add the final details and some shading to bring our GMC truck to life. Draw a small, rectangular bumper at both the front and back of the truck. On the cab, add clear door lines and a small side mirror for extra realism. To give your drawing depth, use light shading under the truck and within the wheel wells. Finally, carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines to reveal your clean and impressive GMC truck drawing. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.